Hi, this is the Motorola Moto E22i and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. First, hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we could create the new home screen folder. By the same way we could add here more applications. Just hold the app and drag it to the folder. To give a name or to rename the folder, just tap to edit name and enter, for example, the new one, the apps. To move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To remove the application from here, you should hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Don't worry, you'll stay with this application in the apps menu and you'll remove it only from your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.